Perkeleen Airut is the name of my project, and today I will tell you what it means. So, Airut simply means harbinger, and Perkele is a very powerful Finnish word. There is a bit of debate what it originally means, but for example, in some translations of the Bible, that word is assigned for the devil. Some people believe it just means evil spirit, and other people think it is the original name of Ukko, the god of thunder in Finnish folklore. Regardless of the origin of the word, it is a very powerful curse word in Finland now. You might have seen the video where a man scares a bear by yelling perkele.
Perkele, siihen et koskes!
So, yeah, feel free to check out my debut album, Fakkarituoli.